Parents of class of 2022 students. Many of you asked me what you should be doing now. A lot of you are very nervous, understandably so, about this because you're not getting a lot of information from your schools, being that your counselors have been out of touch with you for a while. First of all, I want to say just don't worry anymore, just relax. You only do one thing at a time anyway. You're not late now. Just follow our YouTube channel, click subscribe, and like this video, and you'll get all the updates. Don't worry, I'll make them very short. This update will be super short. It's about what you should be doing right now in regard to the FAFSA. You can't submit it right now. A lot of people running around think they can submit it right now. You can't till October 1st. So no matter what you go online and see, you can't do it till October 1st for the 2022-2023 school year. And that's the year we're talking about. Right now, 2021-2022 is available to be delivered, but that's irrelevant to you. So you can't deliver it, but you should order your usernames and passwords for you and your child. I do need to say, it's not your FAFSA, it's your child's FAFSA. So when it is done, you'll be filling it out for your child. And you're just a signature for the FAFSA since they're not 24 years or older. That's the majority age for the FAFSA. That's number one. Now, ordering the username and password is very simple. You want to go to www. I'll just type it in right now. You can see it. FAFSA.gov. When you go here, I want you to click Start Here. And click You're the student. Do not click You're the parent. I repeat again, do not click I am the parent. You'll be forever confused. You will never figure it out. It is not user-friendly at all there. Click I am the student for both your username and password and your child's. Please, I want to repeat again, do not click I am student. I know they want you to, but don't do it. It's I don't know who imagined the software this way. This was 5 years ago, 2 administrations ago, but just go right here to I am student. Then look carefully here. It should be a lot larger. I wish it was bigger and in red, but it's not. You click create one, create a FSA ID. I wish they wouldn't say that. It's the FAFSA username and password, which you need here to sign in. And then at the end, to sign the FAFSA as the parent. Once again, you're going to be submitting, they're not submitting the FAFSA right now. A lot of people feel they're submitting the FAFSA when they do this. This is not. This is ordering the username and password. I cannot stress that enough, okay? So click create one here, FSA ID, and it says create an account. It tells the things you need. Don't worry about all this, just click get started. And it wants to create an account. You have to do this twice, once for the student, once for the parent. You go through the various steps. You're going to need the social security number. I'm not going to go past the screen. I'm relying on you to follow the prompts on the screen. But I want you to be sure you're putting not your nickname, not a name you've used all your life, unless it's the name on your social security card. The same for your student, the same for you. It has to be the name as it appears on the social security card. First name and last name are minimum needed. You can put an initial if you want to. You don't have to put the entire name. Your date of birth is social security number. Once again, the name as it appears on the social security number. And you have to do it twice, this whole procedure. And you have to go back to the beginning and click create again for your student. It's for parent and student. When you're finished, the parent will have a username and password. The student will have the username and password. Okay, my next video will focus on how you can get us to help you to complete your FAFSA or to complete your FAFSA for you. We're going to have a separate session, a separate video for that, okay? All right, I hope this helps. God bless you. Bye-bye now.